What's good, y'all? We back with another video. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, we're working on the E30. And also, as you can see, we got a fender for her. It's not bolted on or anything. I just have it mocked up so I can kind of see what I need to do. And we got a game plan, which is what I'm going to be trying in this video. Also, the battery's in there. I definitely could have got a bigger battery. I thought this one was gonna be right, but I could have got a bigger one. But here's what it is. Let's see if she starts. I didn't see a lot of spark coming from this terminal, not gonna lie to you. But that one got a good connection. Let's see. The thing with this car is it has 3 keys. Actually I have 4, but I ripped this one off. I'm not sure which one is which. Oh, I think this is the right one. Y'all think it'll start? Alright, let's see. Let's check this oil. Oil's still liquidy, still full too. Still kind of light too. Alright, we got oil. Alright, y'all, it is a new day. And as you can see in the last video, the E30 did not start. Now I figured it out. It was spilling fuel from out this line right here and it was dripping down. So I went ahead and got a new connector, and then when I get this hose off, I'm gonna run the AutoZone and I'm gonna get 3 hoses and just replace all 3 of them. We can see if that works, and then we'll put more fuel into it because it was on E last time I tried it. So now it should be good. So I'm gonna replace this. Here's the connection. Here's the part numbers from FCP Euro. All right, so as you can see, we are back and we just got the fuel line on. So we just got the new fuel line on right here. Clamp, and I had to fish this clamp back up because I dropped it down there. But this one got on. I just got a new hose right here, and I did not put the T on because I want to see if it's the hose, because these were kind of hard to get off. So if I didn't have to replace them, I didn't, obviously. So new hose right here. I'm gonna crank it, try to start it, see if I see some fuel coming out of here. Right now it's dry. I shouldn't see any. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna keep these 2 here. See if it fires up, and then we'll go from there. Problem. I don't know if it's not tightened, but it's definitely not tightened all the way. you guys didn't know, I have an E46, but it's not looking too good. So it basically needs a new transmission, and I'm not gonna put the money into it because I don't really want the car like that. So we're selling it. Now, I posted it for sale, and somebody agreed to buy it, but he wants a video of it running. So what I'm gonna do is put a battery in it, because the battery in it is completely dead. It's not a good battery. It's just in here, but I had already got it tested and it's not a good battery. But I got a new battery for the E30, which you guys seen earlier in the video. So I'm gonna put that battery into this car and start it up, let it run, let it get up to idle, I guess, and send videos to the potential new owner so we can see it, and hopefully he comes and gets it. So I want the car gone. It's just taking up space at this point.